#1 team in scoring itong Talk and Text phone calls laban dito Santa Lucia Realtors last when it comes to shooting percentage, not even hitting 40%. But it's a totally different Realtors is what we're seeing here, playing an inspired ball game and unproductive dun sa kanilang offense. Itong panig ng Talk and Text as we open up the third quarter of action.
Daming kamay.
Ayan. Alright. Eto mga kaibigan, Santa Lucia with 8 seconds na lamang. Paulo Mendoza. Ayaw. But he had, 3 out of 3 kanina ng first half.
Yep.
Gerald Honeycutt was for a 2-pointer.
Di pa tapos tong mamang to. 25 points already para kay Gerald Honeycutt. That's his average already. Average niya po yan for one ball game. Pero halos half-time pa lamang na boundary niya yan. So, probably a career night para kay Honeycutt.
Well, hinahanapan din na maraming puntos. Ito si Asi Taulava and Vic Pablo just played magnificently in their last outing in the 13th.
Very smart two-man game there between Winnie Miller and Jimmy Alapag.
Si Vic Pablo nanahimik na no?
Oh, nanahimik na. Although he had a hot start.
Dennis Espino is up against Gerald Honeycutt here. Teka muna, may foul na ibibigay. Ito si Gerald Honeycutt.
Well, one reason din ba't nanahimik ang si Vic Pablo, he only saw 2 minutes of action in the second quarter. And hindi naman siya foul trouble. In fact, wala siya fouls. Pero mas nabigyan ng pagkakataon ng playing time ata ng second quarter na yun. Si Yancy De Ocampo kasabay si
Alan Salangsanga, pinasok pa, di ba?
kasabay si Asi.
Oo.
Si Yancy, kaya medyo si Yancy ang pumwesto dun sa small forward slot.
Espino after curling, nawala sa kanya yung bola, so that will be a turnover. So 2-point game, Talk and Text. Ang nakakalamang rito, they have to wait for 2 quarters na matapos bago sila makatikim ng kalamangan. Samantala, Gerald Honeycutt will be called. So that's foul ba?
Speaking of playing time, kapuna-puna, hindi pa naglalaro si Bong Ravena.
Oo.
He has played in all 14 games prior to this one para sa Pontas. In fact, started in 8 of them, averaging close to 17 minutes a ball game, pero hasn't been very productive from the floor. And, he's only averaging 2.6 points a ball game, shooting at a low 25% from the field.
Of course, third quarter pa lamang tayo. A lot of things could still happen. We will try to find out. Those guys you're talking about, magagamit. Samantala, ito. That attack ni Willie Miller, may foul na. Gerard Francisco matatawagan ng kanyang pangalawang personal foul. And Santa Lucia Realtors and Talk and Text, bila naman yatang, well, actually, no, tatlo para rito. Tama ba? Una pa lamang yan para Santa Lucia, dalawa para rito sa panig ng Talk and Text phone foul. Talk coming from Gerald Honeycutt. Samantala, Derek Brown pulls down the rebound. Now Santa Lucia is looking for the equalizer. Biggest lead of Santa Lucia was at 8. It was 12-4 yung ating score back in the first period. So shot clock, bumababa na para sa Santa Lucia. Gerard Francisco, 2 seconds. Okay na.
Hindi na-realize ni Asi Taulava dun na 2 seconds na lang yung shot clock. So no time sana for Francisco to drop that pass. Dapat sinaling siya lang yung jump shot.
Pablo, the kick out pass deflected. And Paulo Mendoza will be fouled by Gerald Honeycutt.
He wanted to give him that foul. Ayaw niyang pakawalan itong si Mendoza to get a head start in the fast break para sa Realtors. And ito na, speak of. Sinag-uusapan natin.
Bong Ravena, no? Mamaya yan.
Nakikita niyo na sa ibabaw ng yung screen, stretching-stretchingan dyan sa official table. Ready to check in. Mark Serrano also is not suited up pala for this ball. He's still injured. He has only played 10 games. He's missed 4 games so far para sa phone pass. Ito double check natin kung ano nga pa talaga yung injury ni Mark Serrano.
Oo. Dahil naglaro yan eh. They went up against Son Miguel Diaz and was able to contribute 2 points.
In how many minutes? Let's take a look. Played 13 minutes.
13 minutes.
He's in street clothes today.
Brown has got 18 points. At gusto niyang ibain itong deadlock natin at nagawa naman niya. So Bong Ravena is in the game right now, seeing action for the first time. Pinilitan ito si Willie Miller. $19 points, 12 rebounds already in double-double performance para kay Derek Brown. Jimmy Alapag from long range, wala. Napakarami talaga tulakan doon sa rebound play na yun.
Well, may update na tayo sa injury ni Telan. Apparently, na-injure siya nung practice sa nagkabanggaan siya ni William Cahevilla at na-reopen daw yung tear niya sa kanyang MCL. Sa tuhod po yun, yung MCL sa likod ng ACL. So, malalaman pa nila sa Wednesday kung gaano kaseryoso. Pero sabi naman ng kanilang mga trainer, it's not that serious.
So I do believe that was yesterday's practice. Yesterday's practice yun. Derek Brown, sabi niya, sana tinira ko na lang.
Correct. Let's see.
Brown shoots from long range. Yes! And Derek Brown, patuloy ang kanyang magandang contribution for his team. He's got a total of 22 right now. Missing is Asi Taulava. Para bang kaya magkakaroon magandang laro ng Asi Taulava at Jimmy Alapag eh. No?
Well, tulad ng binigay natin ng first half, no, si Asi medyo nahirapan dahil yung talagang zone defense nakakoncentrate sa kanya. And in fact, that was what it was for para sa kanya more than likely. Kaya namiesta naman sa labas yung kanilang mga shooters.
Bong Ravena, nope. Malo Aquino pulls down the rebound. 4-point lead for the Realtors. Derek Brown. Down for the rebound. Bola mapupunta kay Asi. Eto si Jimmy Alapag. 2-on-2 here. Oh! Huli ka! Naliliitang ka ba sa akin? And Dennis Espino failing here. Pero nandun si Paolo Mendoza. Now they go to Derek Brown as he takes the score. Shoot two.
Hindi na bumaba sa depensa si Asi sa si Honeycutt. Tuloy ito sa 4-on-2 fast break na kahit nagdamit ispitisan pa, ay sila pa nakakuha ng offensive rebound.
But great defensive job on the part of Marlo Aquino and now Santa Lucia Realtors. There you go. Saan ka pupunta? And once again, more sa ating mga teachers since it's Mother's Day, a very special day. Ito ang special din na nakikita ninyo ang mga pangyayari dito sa laro na ito. 6-point lead for Santa Lucia Realtors.
Exempted ka pag Father's Day.
Exempted, okay. All the treats for you.
Yes.
Yeah, pero you have to treat them all outside.
Yes.
Alright, balikan natin ang ating laro. 7 minutes and 14 dito sa ating third quarter. Bahagya lamang na nakatikim ng kalamangan itong panig ng talk and text sa pagsisimula ng ating third quarter. Now, in Santa Lucia na naman muli. Samantala, ano ba nangyari? Oh! Derek Brown with a big shot from Asi Taulava for a moment. Akala natin libre na. Wow. So yun na.
Just when you thought he got away for a slam,
Nagulat na nga po from the inbound. Dire-diretso, nandun si Asi para mag-thrower. Si Derek Brown, eto, wag ka. Maling akala para kay Asi Taulava. Ayun, yun.
kakamali ka.
Yo.
Yes.
Eto ngayon si Gerard Francisco. Si Gerard Francisco, his output, 5 points so far. And getting ready para sa kanyang pangalawang free throw. Uy, wala siya na ipasok. Alapag, waits for his teammates. Alapag. Bong Ravena, tingnan natin. Ang hirap na rin. Nagdadalawang isip na rin yung talk and text. Oy, ito to. Another error on the part of Asi Taulava there. Samantala ito, Derek Brown. Asi using his left knee, but wow.
Guarding the defender from the shot block with his body and having to release it with a tough release from the left hand.
58-60. And for Derek Brown, 28 points. Naumusan niya na. Si Gerald Honeycutt with only 25.
And Asi Taulava continues to be scoreless here in the third quarter. And in fact, he only had 2 points in the second quarter, so that's the last time he scored.
He was given a couple of chances, pero, well, iba talaga yung pinapakita even an offense itong panig ng Santa Lucia. Eto ngayon, banggaan sila ni Marlo Aquino. Let's see kanino. Marlo Aquino ba yan?
And it's
Pang-apat
still
na yan.
going to be a sideline inbound, so no breaks for Asi to
Yes.
take a trip to the line at least.
That's the only problem here. We're here in the third period, 6:04 remaining, and Marlo Aquino has 4 personal fouls. Gerald Honeycutt against Dennis Espino. This is also a very interesting matchup here. Oh, Dennis Espino. Mahabol ba ito? Pangalawang personal foul lang naman.
Well, in contrast to what the phone pass were doing in the first half, where maganda yung ball movement nila, they were getting open shots in the wings and the corners. Ngayon naman, medyo binagana na ng pace nila. At mas focus sila sa simpleng post-up lang. Since wala na masyadong immediate double team na pinapadala ng Realtors, walang ball swing na nagaganap para sa phone pass.
Bong Ravena left open. Ayaw. Gerard Francisco for the rebound. Still they're boxing out there in the shaded area para sa Santa Lucia Realtors. They will call a timeout here. 30-second timeout lamang. Coach Al Francis Chua. Scoring drought para sa phone fouls. Paulo Mendoza, 11 points. Pero tingnan natin kung madadagdagan yan. Pero nakukontento sila na ito si Derek Brown tumitira. As always for the Realtors, but he missed from long range. Alapag to Willie Miller. Si Miller, 4 na puntos lamang.
Sapat ang medyo na nahinig.
The hero of that first encounter, and Honeycutt off the mark. Bumalik ang bola na kay Willie Miller. Ito si Jimmy Alapag, sasalaksak. Challenging Dennis Espino. He has to change his shot. Tukod dito, wala na nga dyan si Marlo. Gerard Francisco, wala Dennis Espino. Pushing foul there.
Huli ka.
Uli.
Sayang, hindi naman niya kailangan siguro gawin yun. Kaya niyang talunin sa talunan. Itong si Willie Miller, pag sa rebound na yun, nakapwesto naman siya, no? Pero parang panigurado. Binura na lang niya si Miller. At ang problema is, foul trouble na sila ngayon in terms of team foul. Diba? Penalty ng Santa Lucia, so free throws will be going the way of Willie Miller.
Actually, in the same boat na.
Yes.
Ito magkabilang koponan eh. Kung paano naging mabilis yung ating first and second quarter. Eh ito,
Bumawi
5 minutes.
Bumagal-bagal.
Dahil nasa penalty na, ito magkabilang koponan. Ito si Willie Miller is at the line. Just his 5th point dito sa ating ball game. Shooting 72.5%. And imagine, yung last game nila when they went up against the Beermen, itong si Willie Miller, sa pag-umpisa puro free throws nga lang ang mga puntos nito eh. And finally, when they needed him the most, dun pa sa crucial stretch, eto nga si Willie Miller ay gumana. Turned out to be the best player of that one. At eto,
Alam mo, the phone pass have only scored 8 points in this third quarter with almost 8 minutes gone by in the third quarter. So, in contrast sa kanilang high-scoring first half, no, where they had 54 points.
oo eh. Dennis Espino, ball break against Asi Taulava. Asi Taulava kasi sa defense, parang Asi right now.
Wow!
Espino. Nagiging suki na supalpal itong si Asi Taulava.
Pangilang dunk na yun ni Asi na nasupot pa
Kaya
kaya.
nga eh. Ito pa, Iko Adriano coming off the bench. Another surprise package para Santa Lucia.
Sampunang kalamangan ng Santa Lucia. This is their new biggest lead of the game. And Coach
Ayan.
Joel Banal, hindi po masaya.
Of course, sino ba naman matutuwa nga? You're behind by 10. Nakatikim ka na nga ng kalamangan, pero parang tinakam ka lang. Balik naman tayo dito sa ball game.
Well, 10-point deficit ang hinaharap ng phone fouls, and they've got to look back in what they did well in the first half, that they were able to score so many points and stay in step with the Realtors. And you know, for one thing, they were quicker. They were more aggressive to the basket. They were more aggressive in the fast break. They shot better because they moved the ball around better. So they got to go and try to get those things back, moving the ball around well, patiently, And once they have an advantage on the open court, try to attack it aggressively. Points in the paint, as you see, the Realtors have it dominated 42-24.
Para pang walang tao, walang babantay. Ganun din, no? Paulo Mendoza hitting another three-pointer.
Wow, what a game for Paulo Mendoza.
Ay si Paulo Mendoza, meron na siya 14 points. 3 minutes and 18 dito sa ating third quarter. Ina-accept nila yung mga pagkakataon. They're just throwing that ball away.
And turnovers are beginning to hurt them. They haven't had that many turnovers, pero it's been painful eh. Kung kailan na bebuelo sila para makapagkabol, tapos nakakascore pa itong Realtors those turnovers.
Kiko Adrian.
Oh!
Ano ba yan? Suwerte pa.
Naman!
78-62.
If you blink, folks, the Realtors have just blown this game wide open. They're up by 14 big points.
Gerald Honeycutt, his fight continues, but all by his lonesome. Yun ang most probably the question running in his mind right now. What happened to my teammates? 78-64. Pico Adriano against Willie Miller. Shot clock is down to 5 seconds. Dennis Espino makes a move. Short jumper. Wala. And Wilmer keeps it alive for the Realtors. Uy! Ibang na natira yun ni Paulo Mendoza. Nakuha pa niya! Wow naman! Eto si Dennis Espino.
What a shot.
Sabi ng pagkakataon eh.
Classic Dennis Espino move. Hilong-hilo doon si Yancy De Ocampo sa head and shoulder fake niya. Nako.
May agaw pa ang Santa Lucia Realtors. Talk and text falling apart. Santa Lucia, everything they're doing, falling into place. Another basket there.
And Coach Joel Brel will have to waste another timeout as he's aching to call one. Hindi na niya mahintay yung quarter break. Eh. Gusto niya sana hintayin. Kaso napakasama na talaga ng mga pangyayari para sa kanila.
Well, turnovers para sa talk and text here in the third. Meron silang 5. Santa Lucia Realtors 2. Sa 30-second timeout nga na ititawag ni Coach Joel Banal. Yan si De Ocampo getting his first basket in this game. 82-66 ang ating laro. But this is just a third quarter. Pico Adriano, he's got 5 right now. Paulo! Oh, he overshoots. Yun nga lang. But still great effort on the part of Kiko Adriano. Nakabol pa niya uli yung bola. Kung meron pang time yun, malamang sa kanila pa rin yun eh. Pag-orchestrate pa sila eh. Ayan, 1 minuto eksakto nalalabi sa ating third quarter. Willie Miller. Is it just great defense or what?
Well, it's good aggressive defense inside no, para sa Realtors. Kamalasan lang ng phone pass. Yung init ng kanilang outside shoot in the first half, wala na. This is second half, wala na.
Paagaw pa rito sa Santa Lucia. Ibila nagkaroon ng pagkakataon na maka-attempt ang talk and text. Pico Adriano, hand off to Dennis Espino.
Wow. Pati ba naman yung mga napakalakas na hampas sa bola, hindi
Kaya nga eh.
kamay ni Espino.
Tapos off balance na, ano, para bibitawan mo na, pumapasok pa rin. Willie Miller, ayun, nilalagay na, ayaw pa. Talagang iba ang kapalaran nitong magkabilang koponan dito sa ating third quarter of action. Santa Lucia getting all the breaks. And talk and text. What?
Only 6
Break
points.
na yata sila.
Only 6 points then in the last 8.5 of this quarter. So, well,
But still the full quarter ahead. Well, itong Santa Lucia, kung tutuusin natin eh, matagal-tagal na hindi nila tinatalo itong talk and text. October 25, 2002 pa.
hello. Tagal na.
Oo, ganong kalupit. Actually, last season head-to-head battle nito. 4-0. Puro talk and text yun.
Tumimeout na lang itong si Pico Adriano at ipit na ipit na dun sa kanto. Good defense there. But it's gotta start with defense now. You can't just hope and pray that Ashley will start picking up offensively. You gotta get defensive stops. You're down by 19 big points.
Well, that's the way Santa Lucia Realtors did it in the third, you know? First, okay, sige, depensa muna tayo na maganda. Stop them from scoring, and then everything will... Ganun pa rin, malaki pa rin ang butas ng ring para sa Santa Lucia Realtors.
Yun.
Naalala ko tuloy kanina nung kinakausap ni Hans, ito si Paolo Mendoza, patapos natin naman. Ano ba kinain ni Paolo Mendoza? Wala raw silang kinain. Ano ba?
Yung pala eh, diet. Fasting. Hindi naman to Holy Week, no? Di ba Mother's Day to?
Mamaya na siguro after the game.
Kasi na Popoki.
First things first.
Wala raw. Tonight.
Hindi, wala naman special.
Walang special.
Wala special. Sinortcut na lang. Eto si Paolo Mendoza, may 4 na 3-pointers na rito. Pero teka, natawagan muna na 3-second violation. Itong panig ng Santa Lucia.
Pero kaya naman nasa floor pa rin si Kiko Adriano para sa Realtors. He was part of that big run
Oo.
they had in the third quarter.
Vic Pablo. Oh. Ano mo ganun na? Libre ka na, titira ka, sasablay. To make matters worse, automatic turnover pa.
Pero well, ito mahirap talaga para sa phone toss mo. Dahil wala yung kanilang main anchor on offense. Si Asi Taulava. Wala yung kanyang presence inside. Eventually, babagsak yung outside shooting. You'll have to go back inside again. But when they go inside, there's nothing there. You only have 6 points for them.
Wilmer Ong na to Kiko Adriano. Ayaw. Uy! Paolo Mendoza, nabitiwan naman yung boss sa buhan eh. Hindi. Uy, nabangan ko lang nga rito sa Santa Lucia. Mag-score pa si Wilmer Ong. Eh, parang sign na yun eh.
Malapit na.
Di ba? Although mahaba pa ito eh.
Mahaba pa to.
Mahaba pa to. Marami pa pwede mangyari rito eh. Baka magbago pa kapalaran ng Tokic. Especially ito si Asi Taulava. Ayan.
Yan. Tabi na kayo. Gigil na.
Eto, subukan nyo ako. Tigilin ngayon. Parang ganun eh, no? Ngayon lang uli gumalaw. Ang numbers ito si Asi Taulava.
His last basket was way back in the second quarter.
Yes. Dennis Espino off the glass. Top shot. It goes in. Dennis Espino. Nagtatagtag ng putok. 17 points. O 19 points para kay Dennis Espino. Paolo. Pinitiwang kagad. Bernardo para si Kiko Adriano.
Every break has just been going the way of the Realtors. We're getting loose balls, defensive response, steals. Ano naman?
Yan na naman.
Oh,
Those are times.
oh.
Pero kailangan din siguro eh. Tingnan lang natin. Mahaba pa naman ito. 9.5 remaining this ball game.
Ano naman?
Siguro ulit ang ipapasok eh. Pag dami ng pagkakataon na maibibigay sa'yo para tumira eh.
21 points. Alam mo, siguro kung boxing to, parang gusto mo na lang itapon yung white towel. Sobrang bubog na yung bata mo.
Sabi nga, sa boxing naman, only the referee can stop fight.
Eh, hindi naman pwede sumuko yun, no?
Hindi, sasabihin mo rin sa referee.
Pwede.
Referee kasi referee mag-i-stop ng fight. Makikita naman yun eh. Doon po sa mga hindi pa nakakaalam, ewan ko, pro po yung laban ni Manny Pacquiao at saka ni Marquez. Eto. Dito hindi pwedeng draw. Dito, eto si Taulava draw. Hindi to get the
Mawala
basket.
yung bola. Na talagang hiningi niya yun kay Don Dave Bilano. Sabi niya, sige na nun, bigyan mo para
Yan.
Kuram ko naman ng mga feeling ng paano makashoot.
Eto si Gerard Francisco.
It might not be easier again para kay Asi. Ngayon nakabalik na yung Twin Towers na kanina pa gusto lang sila nagpoposa sa kanya. Sa loob.
Jimmy Alapag kanina na paupo rin ito ni Coach Joel Panalo. He's back to get 12 points in the ball game. He also has to get his game going.
Miscommunication there on the defensive end para sa phone foul.
These things happen, TJ. Only Gerald Radical seems to be, parang siya lang nandito, no?
Correct. 27 points now para sa import.
30 na.
30 pa na.
Oo, 30 na. Para rito.
Pero he had 25 at the half.
Yes.
Not 23 at the half. Ayan. They're not gonna challenge the shot and get defensive stops. Kahit ilang 3-point shoot nila.
Panlimang 3-pointer na yun ni Paolo Mendoza. That's a big game for him. 97-78 inside 8 minutes. I don't think na sumurrender na rito ang Tokic phone fouls, but everything is just going the way of Santa Lucia Realtors.
Grabe yung turnover point story natin, Benji. 17 turnovers na ang kinabit ng phone fouls, and the Realtors have scored 24 points off of those 17 turnovers.
Sabi, naambos na si Dennis Pino, na ibigay pa sa yung bola. May foul na ibibigay. si Gerald Honeycutt as he tried to defend against Marlo Aquino. Apat na foul na ni Gerald Honeycutt.
Parang parang ang strange talaga. Dr. Jekyll and Hyde ang nangyari
Oo.
sa phone pass. So, first half, mainit lang. Running on all cylinders. Honeycutt was hot like anything. You know, everybody was shooting well. They had Vic Pablo scoring well. Jimmy Alapag at 10 points already. Tapos biglang second half. Parang iba ata nagsuot ang uniform eh. Di ba? Parang yikes.
Nag-iba.
Oo.
Ano ito mga clones? Yung dumating dito.
It's rare, no, that happens as well. A whole team
Oo.
just collapsed.
7.5 dito sa ating ball game. And Gerard Francisco will commit his fourth personal foul. Unang team foul here in the final period against Santa Lucia Realtors. Jimmy Alapag goes to Gerald Honeycutt. Panggising yan para sa mga kampi niya. He goes for another jam.
17 points pa rin ang inahabol nila. Still a long way to go, Ben. Dito 7-12 left.
Pwede pa.
Pwede pa to. Siguro na kayo sa mathematics.
Oo naman. But they also have to play defense.
Yeah.
Yeah, kaya niyan. Jimmy Alapag. Risky pass. Big Pablo, this one is short. Asi Taulaba gets an offensive rebound. Yeah. Damihan pa nila, no? Ng mga ganong klase.
So now with 12 points and they're down to 15 na lang ang kalamangan ng Realtors. And the mood of the bench of the Postas is medyo na-uplift na ng konti.
Oo, totoo
Pero
yan.
papahiyaw na yung shot nila and they're hoping for a comeback here.
Paulo Mendoza. Nope. Gerald Honeycutt. Here comes the phone pass once again. Asi Taulaba. Going for the jam.
At no concern pa rin coming from Coach Alfrancis Chua kahit bumaba na sa 13 ang kalamangan niya.
Gusto lang niya dahan-dahanin eh.
It's the time lang.
Slow it down, slow it down. There are a couple of baskets for phone fouls. Moral booster na yun, especially that last dunk. Si Asi Taulaba. Then it's blocked by Asi Taulaba. Returning the favor. Jimmy Alapag, if this goes in. Ayaw, pero Honeycutt. Offensive rebound, put back. Doing everything.
9-0 blast para sa Coach Alfrancis. And now Coach Alfrancis is mad. Very mad.
Sobra na. Sobra na. Tigil muna natin yan. Pag-usapan natin ito. 34 na ang ginagawa nito si Gerald Honeycutt, mga kaibigan. Ito makikita natin kung kanina naliligo na supalpal si Asi Taulaba. Now, siya naman ang sumusupalpal rito. And from great defense would come an effective offense here. Nagmindisman si Jimmy Alapag from the outside, but Gerald Honeycutt with 34 points, 97-86, Santa Lucia. And I guess, pwede pa natin sabihin safely, still anybody's ball game.
Oh yeah. Ito nabuhayan ng energy ng phone fouls. So let's see if they can keep up the race as a badly needed 3-pointer from Derek Brown.
Kumbaga pamatay sunog din yun eh. Yun ang gusto ng Santa Lucia Realtors. That was a big basket, ha? Kaganti ba si Gerald Honeycutt, kapos, pero Asi Taulaba seems to be unstoppable right now in the paint. Picking up on his numbers, he's got a total of 14 right now. 16. O 16 na. Ito si Asi Taulaba.
Higher pressure on the ball ang pinapagawa ni Coach Joel Banal sa kanyang 2-3 zone.
Marlo Aquino can't penetrate.
Uh-oh.
Derek Brown, this one is short. And Gerald Honeycutt for the rebound. Going to Jimmy Alapag. Let's see. Alapag to Willie Miller. Ito, isa rin player. Hey! Alam mo, ito yung inaabangan kong pumutok dito. Ito si Willie Miller eh.
Layup pa.
Kaya nga eh.
Ayaw pa rin.
Sa timeout muna si Coach Joel Banal, of course. Nag-rally sila. Napipigilan ng konti nito Santa Lucia Realtors. 12-point lead for Santa Lucia. 4-45 dito sa ating ballgame. Natin itong mga numero ng ating dalawang imports.
Bound din ang si Derek Brown. 38 points ang average niya. 38 points, 15 rebounds. Samantalang Honeycutt humahabol na ng konti with 34.
Willie Miller on the drive here. Kicks it out to Jimmy Alapag. Step back for a three-pointer. Won't go. Battle for the rebound. Paulo Mendoza. Pinatama yung bola kaya si Taulaban. Santa Lucia will get possession here.
Sayang, pinilit niya ni Jimmy Alapag. He had Honeycutt open at the post. Could have had an easy layup wide open pero gusto niyang pukunan ng tres.
Kasi itong talk and text, looking sana na makapwesto sila doon sa ating top 2 spot.
Yes,
But they still have 3 games after this.
Medyo mahirap pero
Oo, eh.
kaya.
Ito na papanig na Santa Lucia. Gusto makapasok sa top 4. At least may twice to beat advantage sila kung sakasakal. They could not afford a loss. Kasi, ito si Gerald. Now, if that's not power, I don't know what power is. He wants to win this ball game. He wants his team to make a comeback here. He's doing everything.
Yan, sabi niya, tabi kayo lahat. Boom.
Walang makakapigil. From attack. At 102-90. Let's see, unti-unti. Yun lang. Naubos lahat doon sa dakdak. Nevertheless, with just inside 4 minutes, plenty of basketball action pa dito sa labanan na ito. They're using the clock here. Gerald Francisco now on the attack. Binigay kay Marlo Aquino. Jump inabot yun ni Gerald Honeycutt. Ito si Asi Taulava to Jimmy Alapag. Alapag! Breaker.
Pero tama yung idea ng full pass. No? That's the right aggressiveness. Dapat magmadali na talaga sila. Hindi nakakapit. Sila yung oras, 3:37 to go. And you saw the way that the Realtors are taking their time. So they've got to push the ball as much as they can.
Jimmy Alapago only has 3 points. Their last outing now. Meron na siyang 12 puntos and is averaging 81.8% from the free throw line. So let's see. All important, every opportunity, they have to score a basket. Itong panig ng Talk and Text phone foul. Pag kagaya ng binabanggit ko, itong Talk and Text phone fouls will be up against Pew Foods Sunday. Tagal-tagal pa. And then Barangay Ginebra and Coca-Cola for their next 3 assignments. Ang Santa Lucia naman will have Barangay Ginebra on Wednesday and then FedEx and Shell. So yun yung mga remaining assignments itong magkabilang koponan.
So parang hindi masyado madali para sa Talking Text. So dahil may cook pa silang kakalabanin sa Ginebra. Samantalang ang Santa Lucia, medyo easier team in terms of Shell and Buford ang kasama dito rin sa nila.
19 big points, not a big game para kay Paulo Mendoza, Jimmy Alapag. Wala, Andy Gerald Honeycutt, ano ba yun?
Pinadaling follow-up. Alam mo, ang swerte din ng phone pass, even though the missing the outside shot, sa kanila bumabagsak yung mga offensive rebound.
Pushing foul is going to be called against Wilmer Ong.
May free throws ba pupunta kay Asi? Yes.
Ito, sa pabor pa sa kanila ito, nakatigil ang oras. Makapagdagdag sila ng puto. Si Taulava. So parang naibibigay na nga sa kanila yung opportunity. 69.4% from the line. Double-double performance already for Asi Taulava. Who only had 6 points back in the first half. And Gerald Honeycutt. Hindi matatawaran ang kanyang ginagawa para rito sa Talk and Text phone foul. Honeycutt. Unstoppable. It all has been Gerald Honeycutt. And those free throws, very important free throws. Doon pa sila nagbimintis ngayon. Just when they needed it. 104-94, 10-point game. It's not exactly a safe lead para Santa Lucia Realtors. As you can see, the time remaining here, everything is still possible for the phone foul. Shot clock going down. Brown Could not knock that one
Hey!
down. Ay, may sundot pa. Santa Lucia Realtors, Kiko Adriano.
Nag-aalala si Monica at hindi siya kinausap ng teammates
Kaya
niya. May
nga.
tao sa likod niya.
Wala nagsabi.
Oh, uy! Naku,
Tinapos.
madali. Lamang sila ng 10.
Dennis Espino will be coming back into the ball game, pero at first, a timeout will be called here by Coach Joel Banal. Sabi nga natin, 2.5, plenty of basketball action. This is just a 10-point lead. You're watching the PBA on ABC. Ball game, 38 big points para kay Gerald Honeycutt. Asi Taulava has 16, 14 points para kay Jimmy Alapag. Willie Miller has 6.
Only. Only.
And pag si Willie Miller kasi nag-explode, talagang parang makikita mo, mas may chance na makabalik itong panig ng full bounce eh.
Big rebound there para kay Kiko Adriano.
Adriano.
Ay!
There's the backcourt there.
So, tuloy lang yung
Tuloy lang yan.
yung half-court shot clock nila. So, they have 3 more seconds to get it across, and they do.
Okay, no problem.
Okay, never mind. Never mind, you mentioned it.
Ganito naman ang gagawin itong Santa Lucia Realtors. Use the clock.
5 seconds to shoot.
Dennis Espino. Fake. Pumasa. Naagaw. Last 2 minutes was called. Jimmy Alapag. Wala. Here comes the Santa Lucia Realtors. Parang yung bench na top and text, top and arms.
Oh, they were asking for a foul.
Oo eh.
Nagpo-4 corners na lang itong Santa Lucia.
And Santa Lucia Realtors, well, they get to be what? 15 dito sa Fiesta Hall. Sunod-sunod na panalo nito, ha?
Ilan na ba streak nila?
Kung di ako nagkakamali, this will be like, what, their 4th or their 3rd victory? Mahirap gawin yun. All right, 106-94. Timeout has just been called once again. 1:32 remaining in this ballgame. It's still Santa Lucia Realtors.
Sila yun nasa
Sakto,
camera.
oh.
Sakto eh.
Siya ba si Jerry? Kasi
Hindi sila yun.
Hindi.
sila yun.
Family Day lang ngayon.
Oo.
Especially Mother's Day pa. Willie Miller with 6 points lamang. And that was si Vic Pablo. 14 points. Exactly bad game para kay Vic Pablo. Pero ayun, kagaya niya, no? Nagdadagdag pa siya. That's a 3-pointer.
Siyam ang hinahabol nila. Full court press now.
17 points para kay Vic Pablo. 1 minute 18 remaining. Still in the backcourt. Itong Santa Lucia Realtors. The long pass.
Balik sa kanila.
So phone foul still alive. Siyam na puntos. With a minute and 12. Another big basket here to prove the difference. Ito na Gerald Honeycutt. Oh!
Okay.
Si Taulava. Sige.
On to 7 with a minute and 5 to go.
18 points para kay Asi Taulava.
Yes, now si Espino, so they're gonna make him nothing. They're gonna make him nothing.
Team foul. Team foul pa lang nila yun.
Pangalawa pa lamang.
Oo.
So, fouling is not really an option right now. Well, in terms of wanting to put them to the line, kailangan pa nila mangolekta ng maraming foul. Tatlo pa.
And it's time to play good defense here.
Oo.
Okay na yung ginagawa
Go for
ng
a
traffic
steal,
doon sa
yeah.
backcourt kanina eh. Alright.
Yun.
No
Hindi
choice na eh.
intentional yun. Mukhang hindi intentional, pero matawagan na si Alapag din.
Pangatlong personal foul ni Jimmy Alapag. Only the 13th foul called against the phone foul. Pinabibilis na rin
Foul?
niya. Okay.
Isa pa.
Isa pa eh.
Isa pa, ano, bago sila
Oo.
pumila. Ito on the fifth or the sixth? On the fifth, diba? Yun. One more? So they are now 5 team fouls, so
Isa pa. Isa pa rin.
shoot pala on the sixth. 5 ang penalty, so they just got into penalty. Yes, si Marlo. Follow mo. Marlo, sa pagkakaalala
Hindi pa nagpe-free throw.
Hindi pa nagpe-free throw to eh.
Oo, hindi pa nagpe-free throw yan.
Napabalik? Meron.
This will be the
Dalawang
first time.
mintis.
Meron?
Dalawang mintis. Si Marlo. Oh, well.
Oh, yun na nga.
That's a
Best
good
option.
idea, oh.
Oo.
0 for 2.
0 of 2. Yan.
Yun. Kung maaaring bawang foul. Anything's still possible. 54.3 if you listen both. Tapos maka 3 points sila. O di apat na lang. Diba?
Sino muna
Sabi
natin?
ni Marlo, swak muna to.
Saka ka na mag-calculate na. Pagkatapos ko na
addition,
mag-free.
subtraction.
Yan.
Piniguenas community.
Inuuna mo. Piniguenas. Tama.
Ayan. He
Making
makes
it
the
2 for
most
2,
matters
yun.
the most.
So, balik na siya muli ang kalamangan ng Santa Lucia Realtors. And Jam! Messing with that jam. They get the ball back. Jimmy Alapag tries to hit a three-pointer. Yes! Pwede pa. 108-102. Anim na lamang ito. Dennis Espino in the backcourt. Paulo Mendoza.
Oy, naku, nakawala. Hindi na nakafoul.
Derek Brown. Aangat.
Oh!
And fouled by Asi Taulaba. Let Derek Brown go to the line.
Well, they're not going down on a fight, that's for sure. Itong phone fouls. Down by 6, 31.1 to go. Another awesome ball game para kay Derek White Brown. 40 points na ang nabubuhos niya para sa kanyang katuan.
And 70% free throw shooter. Ito si Derek Brown. Parang talagang hindi pa rin sila naubusan eh. No? Marlo Aquino 0-2 din. Pumasok dalawa. And now Derek Brown. Napibigyan pa ng pagkakataon. Hitting 2 for 2. So Walo. 30 seconds. Another three-pointer, but who's going to take it? And then, tataktak muna. Gerald Honeycutt. Quick 2 lamang.
Balik sa 6 ang kalamang.
Oo.
Time out si Coach Al. Parang natakot at tumipenta ang Santa Lucia eh.
Kaya nga eh.
Sorry, forgot to play defense.
Para magsusun na lang, maubos na lang yung oras eh, no? So,
Dapat ganun.
hang on to the lead. 110-104 Santa Lucia Realtors. Just hanging on in there. Mas malapit sa kalaban.
Okay.
Score para
It's
sa
up to you.
Topaz. Let's see. Kanya-kanyang diskarte yan eh. Tingnan natin. So there, Dennis Espino. Tatawid ang bola.
Ayan,
Opposite, they
Espino.
foul. 2 free throws for Dennis.
Foul number 3, Jimmy Alapag.
Alapag. Panlimang personal foul na ni Jimmy Alapag.
Well, one thing's for sure na hindi mangyayari sa game na ito. Hindi po ito magtatapos sa draw.
Hindi.
Sure ako dun. Walang draw dito.
Yun lang
Walang
assure dun. Yun lang assure dun. Wala nang iba.
Oh, kahit si Alex man na maging judge natin, kahit mang yung tatlong judge ng American Idol na maging judge natin,
Labo.
walang draw dito.
Walang draw.
Naku! Ito, na-withdraw niya yung withdraw. Na-withdraw yung kanyang power sa kanyang free throw, kaya na short ni Espino. Still a 2-possession ball game here. 6 points. Importante ito para maging 3 possessions. Okay.
So quick inbound. Jimmy Alapag puts it up. Wala.
May foul si Alapag. That could be it.
And Jimmy Alapag will foul out of the ball game.
Alapag ends the ball game with 17 points. A much better performance from his last outing against Santiago, wherein 3 points lang ang nagawa niya. Pero mabagal din bago nakapick up din to si Alapag in the second half. No? He had 10 points at the half and then quiet in the third quarter.
Somehow it feels like it's not yet enough.
Oh.
Dahil with only 15.5 seconds, ito si Paulo Mendoza sa among the locals. Eh siya may pinakamaraming puntos ba? Hindi. Si... Ngayon, okay na.
Ayan na.
He's got 20 points.
Well, itong talking text mukhang sila naman tulad ni Manny Pacquiao sa first round, naubusan ng oras.
Oo.
Diba? Siguro, kung mabigyan mo pa ng isa pang minuto at kalahati itong contest,
Baka.
mas may pagkakataon pa ito makahabol.
Willie Miller. Ito hinintay ng marami na pumutok si Willie Miller. For one thing, siya pa yung hero.
Tanggal na si Coach Al.
Yan na. Confirmed na. After that miss and that fast break,